Life is a journey full of twists and turns, much like a winding forest path. We all search for something to make our lives feel valuable and fulfilling. Logotherapy, a concept introduced by Viktor Frankl, says this something is meaning. Logotherapy is a type of therapy that focuses on finding meaning in life. It helps us uncover and understand the deeper purpose behind our existence. It doesn't tell us what our meaning should be. Instead, it guides us to discover it for ourselves through introspection and reflection. This search for meaning is personal. It's different for everyone, as unique as our individual experiences. Logotherapy gives us tools to find our own unique meaning, much like a compass guiding us towards our personal summit. Logotherapy is about more than just feeling happy or content. It's about having a reason to live, even when things are hard, a reason that sustains us through life's challenges and adversities. Logotherapy is built on a few important ideas. These foundational concepts are essential to understanding how this therapeutic approach can transform our lives. These ideas help us understand how it works and why it can be so effective in helping individuals find purpose and meaning. First, we all have freedom of will. This fundamental principle means that we have the ability to choose our responses to any given situation. This means we can choose how we react to things, regardless of the circumstances we face. Our reactions are within our control. Even in tough situations, we have the power to choose our attitude. This empowers us to maintain a positive outlook, even when faced with adversity. Second, we all want to find meaning in our lives. This quest for meaning is a driving force that motivates us to pursue our goals and aspirations. This desire is what drives us. It fuels our actions and gives us a sense of direction and purpose. It's a basic human need. Without meaning, we can feel lost and unfulfilled. Third, meaning exists in all circumstances. No matter how challenging or difficult a situation may be, there is always something meaningful to find. No matter what we are going through, there is always something meaningful to find. This perspective helps us to see value in our experiences, even the tough ones. Logotherapy encourages us to embrace these principles. By doing so, we can navigate life's challenges with a sense of purpose and resilience. It helps us use them to build a more meaningful life. Through logotherapy, we can create a fulfilling and purposeful existence, grounded in the understanding that meaning is always within our reach. Viktor Frankl was a psychiatrist. He created logotherapy. His own experiences shaped his ideas. Frankl lived through the Holocaust. He was a prisoner in concentration camps. He saw terrible suffering. Yet even in this darkness, he found meaning. Frankl saw that people who had something to hold on to were more likely to survive. They had a reason to keep going. This realization was the foundation of logotherapy. Frankl's book, Man's Search for Meaning, tells his story. It explains his ideas about finding meaning in suffering. Section 4. Finding meaning in the face of suffering. Life isn't always easy. We all face challenges, big and small, that test our resilience and strength. Logotherapy teaches us that even in these times we can find meaning. It encourages us to look beyond the immediate pain and see the potential for growth and understanding. Logotherapy helps us find meaning in three main ways. First, by creating something. This act of creation can be a powerful source of purpose and fulfillment. This could be anything from art to raising a family. The process of nurturing and building something meaningful can provide a deep sense of satisfaction. Second, by experiencing something deeply. These profound experiences can touch our souls and give us a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. This could be love, nature, or art. Each of these experiences can offer a unique perspective and a sense of wonder. Third, by choosing our attitude in difficult situations, our mindset can transform our experience of suffering. When we change our perspective, we can find meaning even in pain. This shift in attitude can be a powerful tool for resilience. Suffering can lead to growth and understanding. It can teach us valuable lessons and help us develop a deeper understanding of life. Logotherapy doesn't take away pain. It acknowledges the reality of suffering but offers a way to cope with it. But it gives us tools to find meaning in it. These tools can help us navigate through the darkest times. It helps us see the bigger picture. By finding meaning in our suffering, we can transform our pain into a source of strength and purpose. Section 5. The enduring power of logotherapy. Logotherapy is still relevant today. It helps people all over the world. It's used to help people cope with many challenges. People facing illness, loss, or trauma can find comfort in logotherapy. It helps them find meaning in their experiences. It helps them move forward with purpose. Logotherapy is a powerful tool for personal growth. It helps us understand ourselves better. It teaches us how to live a more authentic and meaningful life. Section 6. Logotherapy in action, a source of hope. Logotherapy offers a message of hope. It reminds us that we are not defined by our circumstances. We have the power to choose meaning. It's about finding reasons to get out of bed each morning. It's about living a life that feels full and significant. It's about discovering what truly matters to us. If you're searching for meaning in your life, logotherapy might be the answer. Explore its principles. Discover its power.